Hello friend, welcome to today's class. We are still on order of operations. We said order of operation is none other than the same thing we know as our board mass. That's our board mass. Okay, so here we have board mass. Now let's solve the following problems. It says 10 minus root 16. Okay, now here we have the sign of square root. The square root sign is the inverse operation for order. Order refers to powers. So the inverse of order of power rather is square root. So that means we're going to deal with root 16 first. So square root of 16 is 4. Then we now do 10 minus 4, which gives us 6. The second question says we have a bracket. So we're going to deal with what we have here. So that will give us a square root of what's in the bracket. 2 plus 14 is 16. So square root of 16 is 4. Very simple. The third question, we have root 4. So root 4 is 2 plus 32, and that will give us a 34. I want you to give me the answer to question number 4 in the comment section. I will be waiting for you. Now let's come to this second set of questions. Here we have 82 plus 2 times 32. Okay, so usually we do this first, multiplication. So 2 times 32 is 64. Then we add 82 plus 64. 2 and 4 is 6. 8 and 6 is 14. So that gives us 146. Next, we have a bracket. 7 times bracket open 8 divided by 4 multiplied by 2. So 8 divided by 4 is giving us 2. So we have 7 multiplied by 2. Anything outside the bracket is still multiplication. So that will give us 28. I want you to give me the answer to the third question in the comment section. This is another kind of question that you see in your GCSE mathematics. It says copy out the following and insert brackets in each to make the correct answer. This kind of question, you just have to do trial and error until you get it right. But with much practice, you'll get used to it and you'll be able to solve it in pretty much a very quick time. So if you look at this, let's place a bracket here. So that will leave us with 5 plus 2 times 3 plus 1 is 4. And then still following our board mass, multiplication before addition. So if we multiply this, 2 times 4 will give us 8, and then if you add 5 to it, that will give us 13. So very, very simple, very, very easy. Now look at the next one. It says 2 times 7. It says 2 times 7 plus 1 times 3 is equal to 48. Is equal to 48. So where are we going to put the bracket? The bracket should be here. So this will give us 2 times 8 times 3. 2 times 8 is 16. 16 times 3 equals 48. Very simple, very easy. I want you to give me the answer to the third question in the comment section. I will be waiting for you there. And finally, we have this other kind of question. It says, Matthew says 9 plus 3 times 2 is equal to 15. Is it correct? Let's use the rule of board mass. What is 3 times 2? 6. Then 9 plus 6 is equal to 15. So he is correct. Question 2 says, Samuel says 6 plus 4 times 9 is equal to 90. Is it correct? I want you to do this and drop your answer in the comment section. I'll see you in the next video. Bye.